This video is just to show you guys how to do your Google Doc to document your reference images and your and how to photograph your maquettes and or sketches. So I'm going to use myself as an example. Right now what I'm working on is my first project is going to be my coral project, my coral reef project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search Google for different types of coral. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the images. There's lots of these right here, but I want ones that look exactly like it. So I'm going to click on that. Now there's various ways that you guys can get this into your document. One of the ways, I believe, is to click and then drag. That's probably one of the easiest ways. Okay, I'm actually going to move that. Another way that you can do it is to click on this, then right click over here, copy image, and then go over here and do Control V. There's another way you can do it. And then finally, the last way you can do it is go through, find what you want. I have some that look like brains. I don't know what that one is called yet. That's something that I'm going to learn. But I kind of want to see what colors they use. It's not like this one. It's more like, let's see, coral that looks like a brain. Oh, wait. That's not the one I want. A fungus? No, not like that one. No. There's so many. Oh my goodness. Anyways, sometimes it takes some searching. Ooh, this is kind of like what I want. Cauliflower mushroom, I think. No, that was the one that I had. Yeah, kind of like these. It looks almost like little stamps. So anyways, sorry about that. Going back to how else you can do this, I can go save image as, and save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Actually, you guys should save it to my pictures, so that way you can find it every time you go to, you log on to a computer. It won't matter what computer you use. So I'm just going to name it something that I'm going to remember, stamped coral, and then click save. And now I can go back over to my document, and go up to insert, image, upload from the computer. And then go back down to my pictures and find the one that I just saved. Oh wait, it's going to be stamped coral, There we go, stamped coral. All right, so there's 3 reference images. Now, the last thing is your sketch and or maquette. Now, remember, maquette is just like a little miniature version of what you want to make. So I don't have a sketch just yet. I will eventually. But I do kind of sort of have a maquette. I was playing with some creosote the other day and started carving into it to see if I liked the material. So I'm going to use that as my maquette for right now. You guys can use modeling clay for your maquettes. All right. So I'm going to go up here to insert image, and I'm going to go to camera. And this takes a picture straight from your laptop. So we are going to take a picture of multiple viewpoints. Notice that I don't necessarily need my face in there. There's one. Woo. Ah. Sorry, my directionality is kind of off. There's two. There's three. All right, you can do more if you want, but. So I'm gonna say, let's see if I can do this. Can I insert all of them? No, apparently not. Okay, so insert. And it says it's creating the image. So I'm thinking, aha, when you go back to camera, you have your other ones still there. So you don't have to take them all over again unless you really want to. Image, camera, and then that was the last one. Insert. And if you don't want all this extra stuff, you can always double click on it and go to crop. Here, let's click on that one. Go, see this little square right here? That's crop image. I want to crop it, and then you get these little black hash marks. Oh. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now it's just focusing on that. And that's basically all you need to do. I'm going to make sure that you guys put your name and your section in the header.